Hey YouTube, super exciting day today. I want to make a quick trying to be healthier video. This all started a few months ago when I upgraded to the all-clad stainless steel pots and pans. I think out of all of these that I'm showing today, this one is probably the most important upgrade. The PFAS Teflon non-stick is pretty bad for us. It is clear to me, and I think there's a lot of good evidence out there. This is probably the first to go. Next, we have baking stuff. I initially started with this non-stick, and the latch here is also a little bit flimsy, so made sense when I wanted to upgrade, went with an aluminum one. I do have to be a little bit careful to butter and use parchment paper, so that takes a little bit more work. Those are the only two non-stick PFAS. The rest of the stuff will be microplastics. I ended up going with wooden spatulas. It was nicer to use this silicone one when I was baking, but I don't mind working a little bit harder, trying to be a little healthier. And we also got new Tupperware, going from plastic to glass Tupperware. It's a little heavier, harder to wash, but everybody knows, do not microwave plastic if you can. Next, we got new bowls. These are really old plastic bowls I had. You could see they're kind of gross, and there's scratches in here. So definitely I'm eating plastic, and it's also harder to clean. I've ran these through the dishwasher multiple times and they just don't get clean anymore. Really enjoying new ceramic bowls. The last thing is more baking stuff. I don't think this is as important because we are not heating this up with high heat. We don't really use sharp utensils like pots and pans to scratch this. But since we are slowly replacing all of the plastic, I thought that would be a good idea. I'm finally gonna make the commitment to donate all the ones that I don't want, because occasionally I do get lazy and I still use the plastic ones. But once these are to Goodwill, I have no other choice but to use the metal and wooden utensils. Video 259 done.